This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your default apps on your Android phone. So maybe you accidentally chose the wrong thing to open up your photos and it's always like a video editor or something like that. Just go to the top right and go to settings. Scrolling down to apps. And locate apps. Now in the top right, you just go to the three dots. Go to reset app preference. And you can read through here, blah blah blah. Right here it says default apps. So if you reset this right here in the bottom right, this is going to reset all the default apps. So next time you open up that photo or something like that, it might ask you what to open it up as. So my phone is being really slow. I can go on over to something right now and just try to open up. So I have gallery right there, so I'll probably just open up in my gallery though. So just go and just try this out, see if it resets it. It should. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.